Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this yummy halwa without any sugar. So take some cashew nut, add some water, soak it overnight and blend it into a paste. Now in a pan add some milk, add this cashew nut paste and mix it. Keep the flame from low to medium and nicely mix in the cashew nut paste and milk together. After it comes to a nice boil, add some ghee and mix it. Now for the sweetness, here I am adding some jaggery powder, but if you want to add sugar, you can add that as well. Mix it nicely with the cashew paste. Mix it and cook the mixture. Add around 1 tablespoon of ghee in between and combine it. Here I am adding some saffron strands for that beautiful color and flavor. As you can see, the mixture gets slightly thickened and it is separating from the pan. At this point, add some cardamom powder and mix it. And when the mixture comes together as a dough like this, turn off the flame and transfer it to a greased pan. Smoothen the top, keep that in room temperature for some hours or refrigerate for some time. And once it gets set, demould it. Our delicious cashew halwa is ready. Cut this into any desired shapes and enjoy. As you can see, it's really soft and melt in your mouth type halwa. Everyone will really enjoy it. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.